In this video, I'm taking a scooter tour to see sights around Old Town Nice. You'll watch as my guide explains how we get from one place to the next. I'll talk you through some of the phrases and vocabulary, and soon you'll be touring around in French too. Let's go. Scooters are a fantastic way to tour the city. Depending on the type of scooter, you can rent it and cruise around independently, or take a tour with a guide. You'll want to wear casual, comfortable clothes and flat, closed-toed shoes for safety. Here's my guide. Let's see where we're going.
D'abord, on ira à la cathédrale.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
D'abord, on tourne à gauche devant le parc.
D'accord.
Ensuite, au théâtre, on tourne à gauche.
D'accord.
Puis, on tourne à droite et on arrive à la cathédrale.
On y va?
On y va.
My guide explained that our first stop will be Nice's oldest cathedral, Sainte-Réparate. D'abord means first. On ira à la cathédrale means we'll go to the cathedral. D'abord, on ira à la cathédrale. I was excited to go, so I asked my guide, comment est-ce que l'on y va? That means, how do we get there? Comment est-ce que l'on y va? He said, d'abord, on tourne à gauche devant le parc. You already know that d'abord means first. On tourne à gauche means we turn left. And devant le parc means at the park. D'abord, on tourne à gauche devant le parc. D'accord. That means okay. D'accord. Then he said, we'll turn again. Ensuite, au théâtre, on tourne à gauche. Ensuite means next. And au théâtre, on tourne à gauche means at the theater, we turn left. You know what I said? D'accord. That's right, okay. D'accord. Then we arrive. Puis means then. On arrive à la cathédrale. That's we arrive at the cathedral. Altogether, puis on arrive à la cathédrale. Sainte-Réparate Cathedral was built in the 17th century on the site of a small church dating back to 1049. It's an exquisite example of Baroque use of marble and gold, and rich with layers of architectural history. Let's review some words and sentences. Try saying them along with me if you'd like. On ira à la cathédrale. We'll go to the cathedral. Comment est-ce que l'on y va? How do we get there? On tourne à gauche. We turn left. On tourne à droite. We turn right. On arrive à la cathédrale. We arrive at the cathedral. D'abord, first. Ensuite, next. Puis, then. On y va? Let's go. D'accord. Okay. Let's see where we go next.
Ensuite, on ira à la colline du château.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
D'abord, on va tout droit pendant 1 kilomètre.
D'accord.
Ensuite, on tourne à droite, on monte la colline
D'accord.
et puis on arrive au château.
That was amazing, and I was excited to see what was next on our itinerary. The guide said, ensuite, on ira à la colline du château. Next, we'll go to Castle Hill. Ensuite, on ira à la colline du château. I didn't know where the castle was located, so I asked, comment est-ce que l'on y va? Remember what that means? How do we get there? Comment est-ce que l'on y va? He said, d'abord, on va tout droit pendant 1 kilomètre. D'abord, remember that? First. On va tout droit means we go straight. Pendant 1 kilomètre means for a kilometer. Altogether, that's d'abord, on va tout droit pendant 1 kilomètre. D'accord. You got that. Okay. D'accord. Ensuite, on tourne à droite et on monte la colline, he said. Remember, ensuite means next. On tourne à droite, we turn right, et on monte la colline means and go up the hill. Ensuite, on tourne à droite et on monte la colline. And I said, d'accord. Puis, on arrive au château, he said. Then we arrive at the castle. Puis on arrive au château. Although my guide said we'll arrive at the castle, there's no longer a castle there. Colline du Château, or Castle Hill, was the site of the first Greek settlement around 500 BC, the original Nice. The last castle was destroyed and dismantled in the 18th century. Today it's a wooded oasis of ancient ruins and centuries of stories that provides a respite from the busy city below.
Ensuite, on ira à la plage.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
On descend la colline.
D'accord.
Suivez-moi.
D'accord, je vous suis. My guide pointed at the beaches below us and said, Ensuite, on ira à la plage. That means, next we'll go to the beach. Ensuite, on ira à la plage. I'm excited to go to the beach, so I ask him, Comment est-ce que l'on y va? Got that? How do we get there? Right. Comment est-ce que l'on y va? On descend la colline. We go down the hill, he said. On descend la colline. I'm a little skeptical about riding down this hill, but I went along. D'accord. Suivez-moi, he said. Follow me. Suivez-moi. D'accord, je vous suis. Okay, I'll follow you. D'accord, je vous suis. A unique feature of beaches in Nice are the smooth, pebbly stones instead of sand, so be prepared. Other than that, each beach is unique, offering a variety of activities and dining options. Some are easier to get to than others, so you may want to check ahead about accessibility. Explore and find your favorite. Let's quickly look at some useful phrases. Try saying them along with me. On va tout droit. We go straight. On monte la colline. We go up the hill. On descend la colline. We go down the hill. Environ 1 kilomètre. About 1 kilometer. Suivez-moi. Follow me. Je vous suis. I'll follow you. Nice. Now let's practice some places you might stop on your tour. Try saying them along with me if you'd like. Au parc, at the park. Au théâtre, at the theater. À la cathédrale, at the cathedral. Au château, at the castle. À la plage, at the beach. Well done. Now that I've broken the scene down for you, let's watch it in real time to see how much you've already learned.
D'abord, on ira à la cathédrale.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
D'abord, on tourne à gauche devant le parc.
D'accord,
Ensuite, au théâtre, on tourne à gauche.
d'accord.
Puis, on tourne à droite et on arrive à la cathédrale.
On y va?
On y va. Ensuite, on ira à la colline du château.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
D'abord, on va tout droit pendant 1 kilomètre.
D'accord,
Ensuite, on tourne à droite, on monte la colline
d'accord.
et puis on arrive au château. Ensuite, on ira à la plage.
Comment est-ce que l'on y va?
On descend la colline.
D'accord,
Suivez-moi.
d'accord, je vous suis. There are so many rental options for touring around Nice. Electric scooters like we used are readily available and great for touring around the inner city sites and going to the beach. To rent an e-scooter, you can ask, Puis-je louer un scooter électrique, s'il vous plaît? For a relaxed pace outing around town or a long distance tour of the countryside, cycling is ideal. To rent a bicycle, you can ask, Puis-je louer un vélo, s'il vous plaît? If you're interested in renting a bicycle by the hour, you can ask, Quel est le tarif horaire? Perhaps you want to rent a bike for the day. You can ask, Quel est le tarif journalier? And if you're staying a while and want to keep the bike for a week, Quel est le tarif hebdomadaire? Riding around a city is a fantastic way to see the sights. Be safe and have fun. Thanks for joining me on a scooter tour with my guide, who explained how to get to special sites in Nice. To learn more useful phrases and gain more cultural insights, check out our other videos.